Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Bhavna's Kitchen. In today's video, I'll be sharing with you all my afternoon vlog. Late afternoon, I started preparing some wheat paniyaram, for which I am using 1 cup of wheat flour and half a cup of rice flour, little salt, quarter teaspoon of cardamom powder and quarter teaspoon of baking soda. Now mix all the dry ingredients well. Actually, I started preparing this recipe because I had some ripe bananas. So the very important thing for this recipe to be perfect is you should have some ripe bananas. The skin should be brown like this. So I'm using around 3 bananas here. Now I'm going to make a smooth paste of this bananas. Add it to the dry ingredients and mix well. Once it is done, boil some water in a pan and add around 200 grams of jaggery. I'm just going to melt the jaggery. You don't have to prepare a perfect syrup. Once it's melted, filter it. Use the jaggery water to the batter and mix it well. From the cup, I have used around 3/4 cup of jaggery water for this recipe. It is okay if you prepare little extra of jaggery water because the water needs to be a little warm or hot while mixing. So if it is less, you have to prepare it again. So it's better you prepare little extra. Now let this batter rest for 20 minutes. Heat oil in a pan. Once the oil is hot, change it to medium flame and start pouring the batter. You can also use a kuli paniyaram pan, which is readily available. If you don't have that, use a spatula which is of medium size. If you use a medium spatula for pouring the batter, you can make sure like it's cooked well from both inside and outside. Once the bubble reduces, turn it to the other side. Cook both the sides well. Now our delicious wheat paniyaram is ready to go. I prepared this late afternoon before picking up my daughter from kindergarten. Then I started in the bus to pick her up. It was a rainy day. Actually, I shot this video a few weeks back. Now the weather is pretty much better. So this is how the bus looks. You have lot of space, especially for pram or stroller. It is very convenient to travel with your toddler or your babies. In this bus you have like around you can place around like 5 strollers. Is a bigger one. Here you can see very clearly. These places are allotted for placing the pram or stroller. If there is nothing, you can use the seats to sit. The transportation in Denmark is extremely good. It's very convenient. I always love to use the public transports more than my car. So from my place, it's almost like 30 minutes travel to her kindergarten. So usually I used to take a bus from my place. So just thought of sharing this with you. And you have a TV inside the bus which will show all the details about the stops and the time. Even if you don't know Danish, it's fine. If you just look at the TV, you will have all the information which is very clear and easy to understand. You will not have any steps in the bus like how we have in India. It's very low, so it will be easy for people to get in, even the elderly people. And also the taking the pram inside the bus is very easy. Now I am not using either the stroller or pram, but when I was using it was very comfortable. You can be so independent here. This is my daughter Kritika, was just munching a few carrot pieces, then she gave it back to me. Then she was not interested with the carrot, she started to have croissant. Always I used to take some snack with me for her because she'll be a little hungry while coming back. She always enjoyed this travel more than going in car. So after coming back home, I started to prepare some juice, fresh orange juice. So this is my new juicer. It is a cold press juicer, which is also called a slow juicer. I did not buy this. This was actually a gift. So this is how we fix it. I have peeled around 9 oranges. While the juice is getting extracted, you don't have to stop the juicer every time. That's the best thing about this. You can just put the orange slices into the juicer while the process is still going. So this is how it works. One side you will have the orange juice, the other side you will have the remaining extract of the orange. It is quite convenient to use, and it hardly took me around 8 to 10 minutes to complete making juice of 9 oranges. So we had some fresh orange juice. So the remaining orange juice, I just put it in the glass jar and stored it in my fridge. Really, for making this juice, I did not remove the seeds of the orange because it was like a slow process juice. I wanted to try it, but still it tastes good. So that's it for the day. Hope you all enjoyed this video. See you all soon with another interesting video. Thanks for watching.